Welcome to Healthy Habits Hub. Today, we're diving into the health benefits of dates, a sweet and nutrient-packed fruit that's been cherished for centuries. Dates aren't just a natural treat, they're also a superfood with a variety of health benefits that make them a great addition to any diet. First, dates are an excellent source of natural energy. With a balanced mix of natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, dates can give you a quick energy boost without causing a spike in blood sugar levels. This makes them an ideal snack, especially for athletes or those needing a quick, sustained energy lift throughout the day. Dates are also packed with fiber, which plays a key role in digestive health. Just a handful of dates provides a significant amount of fiber, helping to regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote a healthy gut. Fiber also helps you feel fuller longer, which can be especially helpful for weight management. Additionally, dates are loaded with essential minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Potassium is particularly important for heart health as it helps to regulate blood pressure. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function, while calcium is essential for bone health. Together, these minerals contribute to overall well-being and help protect against conditions like heart disease and osteoporosis. If you're looking for a snack that supports brain health, dates are a fantastic choice. They're rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. This can help improve cognitive function and potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. And here's another reason to love dates: they're rich in iron, which is essential for maintaining healthy red blood cells and preventing anemia. Iron deficiency can lead to fatigue and weakness, so adding iron-rich foods like dates to your diet can help keep your energy levels up and support your body's oxygen transport. Not only are dates packed with nutrients, but they're also incredibly versatile. You can add them to smoothies, use them as a natural sweetener in desserts, or simply eat them on their own as a quick, nutritious snack. So, to recap, dates are a powerhouse of natural sugars, fiber, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide sustainable energy, support heart and brain health, aid digestion, and contribute to a balanced diet. Adding just a few dates to your daily routine can offer amazing health benefits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness tips here on Healthy Habits Hub. See you in the next video.